It's just if you're gonna do the calories, really gonna tell me as an American you want that versus a Reese's peanut butter cup? Candy corn is what happens when children give up on their dreams. Like, and that's why it's important to encourage education and have them power through adversity. Because like maybe they hit a hurdle and then they stopped and it's candy corn, when they could have just kept going.
I'm fine with candy corn. I have no problem with it.
I'm not a fan because it tastes like 100% sugar, but I'm not as boisterous as some people in this office are about their dislike of candy corn.
It's delicious, pure delight.
That's how much Andrew hates it. He described it as an empty, godforsaken amuse-bouche.
Yeah, I think he's the only person, right? Maybe something with corn that he was traumatized by as a child. I don't know. Go figure.
I'm all for diversity. Like we don't have to like prioritize Reese's peanut butter cups over candy corn. Like you can have both. There's no question like filet is better than fish, right? But sometimes you're like, hey, I'm in the mood for some fish, and you get a fish dish and it's delightful. Maybe not all the time, but that's candy corn. It's like good fish.
So like he's actually, and so in closing argument, candy corn is like fish. That's as good of a candy it is. I mean,
But if you have delightful fish, it's a good dinner. It's a good dinner.
fish is polarizing as a protein. It's not that I don't like fish, but once again, you look at the menu and you're like, bland, white, flaky object. Or maybe you go swordfish or salmon, but it's fishier, which is candy cornier. Or you can just get like a nice steak, you know? Again, you have a choice in life. Candy corn, Reese's peanut butter cup. Like prime filet, fish.
Some of us are able to
Treat yourself.
have both.
Trick or treat
Variety,
yourself.
spice of life.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just
That's
want
what
fish.
That's what Donna from Parks and Rec would have said. Trick or treat yourself to something more.